Madam Mayor, we have our next item is general public comment, and this is from Sam Dehne.
All right, the Sam Dehne show today.
Amen. Amen. I was timing you. Sam Dehne, the heart and soul and the body and mind. I don't know what these cameras are doing back here, but they're making me really nervous. Not. At any rate, what we have now is the second public comment, and for those out in TV land who just tuned in on my YouTube, this will be a new record. This will be the first time that I have controlled the majority of the meeting. So I've got 9 minutes. They just took 6 minutes to canvass the vote. So I've got nine minutes. That's like I'm almost the same as Hill up there, the Ms. Mayor. I'm 65% of the meeting. That makes me kind of like 65% of being the mayor. What I want to talk about today, and I don't really spend enough time on it, and it's about my favorite subject, the Reno Gazette media wacko freaks. Now, they are, for all practical purposes, they are a public body. And a public body, most people don't even know what a public body is, but a public body is defined as a body that receives its income, its revenue from taxpayer-funded money, from the citizens. And people don't realize it, but they every week, every day, they have these things called, right here, called the public notices. Bankruptcies, marriages, divorces, new companies, mortgages, one thing after another, and those things are mandatorily paid for by you and you and you. Oh, there's no citizens here today, and the citizens. That is a tax. They are a public body by any logical definition of the term. And where am I going with that? The fact is that the open meeting law says that public bodies have to have open meetings. And if there's ever an organization that should have open meetings, it's the Reno Gazette, the Reno Gazette Journal wacko freaks. They should have open meetings so Sam can go down there and get his 3 minutes just like I'm doing right now and talk to them and tell them how evil they are. But I already told them that here. But they should have the open meetings, but most importantly, because they would have to have an agenda, a printed agenda. Then you and I would finally know where all of their insane fear and envy of this 10-ton elephant is here. You see me, I'm the only one at the meeting. I'm the only one at the meeting, and if I'm the only one at the meeting, something I say should, if there's any comment about what took place at this meeting, and I'm 65% of the meeting on top of that, and if they do not have my name in that meeting, they should be put in prison. They should have to obey the open meeting law, and I know that the brilliant city attorney over there understands what I just said. They should have, if I had an attorney general I thought I could trust, I would file an open meeting law complaint against them in order that the Reno Gazette have to obey the open meeting law. They are a public body. If they didn't have these public notices, they would be out of business. That's it.
All right. Thank you, Sam.
Madam Mayor, I have no further general public comment.
Okay, thank you so much. At this time, I'm going to send